The Friz Life WAX is a super convenient RO water system that you can put anywhere you want: the kitchen, the office, and even the bedroom. You're always on the go, and you need everyone and everything to keep up with your active lifestyle. This little device is the answer to all the filter pitchers, under-sink RO systems, and bottled water options. The in and out TDS indicator continuously displays the water quality, and the filter life display reminds you when it's time to change the filter cartridge. The machine's compact design also makes it a perfect fit to keep one on your desk in the office. With Friz Life, owning your own reverse osmosis system is within reach for the first time. The Friz Life WAX filter system has been tested and certified by WQA against NSF ANSI 58. This system has 4 stages of high-performance complete filter cartridges, including the sediment filter, carbon block, granular carbon, and the RO membrane. The RO membrane has a 1/10,000th micron rating, so it can remove 99.99% of contaminants from the water, which ensures your drinking water is 100% safe. The screw-in design of the filter cartridges allows you to complete a cartridge replacement within 2 minutes. With the Friz Life Pure Water solution, you and your family will enjoy clean, pure, and odorless water.
We all want to be and stay healthy, and it all starts with pure water. Zip's patented 4-stage filtration technology transforms ordinary tap water into clean, healthy, delicious, and alkaline drinking water. Zip doesn't need any installation or setup and comes with all the filters pre-installed for your convenience. 4 large-capacity filtration stages remove up to 99% of all harmful contaminants while maintaining a small footprint and stylish look. Zip's replacement filters are substantially larger in size comparing to other countertop water filters and last a whole year before needing to be replaced. Stage 1. 5-micron sediment filter. Unique gradient pore structure with outer section trapping larger and the inner section for smaller particles. It effectively removes particles like sediment and rust. Stage 2. Activated carbon block filter. Removes harmful chemical residues and carcinogens such as THMs and pesticides. Large absorption capability effectively removes odors and VOCs. Stage 3. Reverse osmosis membrane. 75-gallon per day reverse osmosis membrane purifies water virtually from all the harmful contaminants. It's the heart of the reverse osmosis system. Stage 4. Exclusive alkaline post filter. Polishing carbon alkaline post filter returns beneficial minerals, calcium and magnesium, to purified water for the best taste. It also increases the alkalinity of the water to a perfectly balanced level of 7 to 8 pH. Zip is simple to use, maintain, and it will look great in your kitchen. You will love how the Zip filtered water tastes. Get yours today.
Let's take a look inside of AquaTrue and see how it works. AquaTrue is powered by our patented 4-stage ultra-reverse osmosis technology. In stage 1, the water passes through a mechanical pre-filter that removes larger particles like sediment and rust. Stage 2 is the carbon filter that removes chlorine and chloramines. In stage 3, a high-pressure pump pushes the water through the reverse osmosis membrane, filtering out dangerous inorganic chemicals including lead, chromium-6, arsenic, uranium, nitrates, and lots of other nasty stuff. And in stage 4, the water passes through our activated coconut block filter, which removes organic compounds including rocket fuel, prescription drug residue, and PFAS, leaving you with pure, great-tasting water. Finally, your purified water collects in the clean water tank for easy dispensing, while all that bad stuff is captured and concentrated in the tap water tank so you can easily discard it.